man, was that wind rowdy last night in the Denver area. Most of what you experienced between about 5 p.m. and 10 p.m. last night on March the 18th in the Denver area was probably about 50 to 60 miles an hour. We had a peak gust out at DIA of about 52 miles an hour, 55 mile an hour peak gust in downtown Denver. Eastern Plains, some spots, get this, had over 70 mile an hour winds. Still got some blizzard warnings out there across the Eastern Plains this morning. The snow's basically done, but remember what a blizzard is. Blizzard, you don't actually need snow to be falling for you to have a blizzard. We had about 1 to 4 inches of snow across most of the Eastern Plains last night, but all that snow that fell is getting picked up by these 50, 60, even 70 mile an hour winds and whipping it around. And so what a blizzard means is bad visibility. And that's why I-70 closed from basically Denver all the way to the Kansas state line as I record this at 6:10 a.m. on this Wednesday morning, March the 19th. Now, that wind will gradually get better as we head through the day. It's going to take some time, though. High wind warning up until about noon today for most of the Eastern Plains and southern Colorado. In Denver, that wind still not great, but 30 to 50 mile an hour winds, not as bad as it was last night, but that wind will gradually get better as we get, especially into this afternoon, it turns more breezy. Then spring officially begins, 3:01 a.m. on Thursday morning. It's going to actually feel like spring tomorrow, with temperatures topping out in the 50s. We'll be in the 50s and 60s over the next few days. No really meaningful rain or snow chances until really the end of next week into probably April. So we've got a dry and warm stretch overall coming on up. But this morning, it's cold. Temperatures in the 20s. We're only topping out in the low to mid 40s today with that wind around today as well.